everyone, welcome to Soulful Cooking. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. Now I would like to request you to not view at this episode as just another vegetable making episode, but it could be an eye-opener and it could change your outlook towards the amaranth vegetable, or locally called as cholai or lal mat or lal sag. Now this is available in different forms, like the green leaves, the red or the purple leaves, and the golden colored leaves. The seeds of this plant, also called as Rajgira locally, are already in the list of superfoods, but the leaves don't fall behind either. The leaves are a super rich source of complex carbohydrates, proteins, vitamin A, C, K, phosphorus, magnesium, manganese, calcium and iron. And among the array of benefits that this leaf has to offer, some of them are: they improve your vision, your immunity, your bone health. They are known to help in various skin disorders. They are known to help in premature graying of your hair. If you apply a paste of leaves to your hair post your shampoo, they tend to flatten the wrinkled gray hair, which makes your face look ugly. They are known to fight various disorders like cancer, heart disorders. They control the movement of free radicals in the body, thereby preventing the organ damage. They are known for curing anemic conditions. If you have uric acid and if you consume this for about 40 days regularly, you can get rid of your uric acid and for your urine stones too. So they are excellent for your skin development. So knowing all these benefits, and if you know that the recipe which I am giving you can give you a very good taste too, I am sure you are going to try this vegetable in your daily life. Now in this recipe I have used chicken. For vegetarians, you can just simply avoid the chicken and use soaked moong dal in place of chicken. Use the similar spices that I have listed. Just go very low on garam masala, because vegetarian recipe does not need much of garam masala. And that's it, and then you'll enjoy the vegetarian dish too. So I hope you enjoy this, and let's get cooking. In a heated pan, add oil. To this, add chopped garlic and chopped cilantro. By doing so, we release the cilantro flavors into the hot oil and the dish becomes very flavorful. Now add red chili powder and some haldi powder and saute this. Now add the chopped green chilies and chopped onions, some black salt and some white salt to taste, and saute this for a minute. Black salt imparts an excellent taste and minerals to the dish. Now add coriander powder and garam masala powder and saute until the onions become translucent. Now add chopped boneless chicken and saute this for a minute. If you're using chicken on the bone, the cooking process may take a little longer. In case of boneless, cover and cook it for only 5 minutes. Open the lid in 5 minutes. To this, you add chopped amaranth leaves and saute. For vegetarians, you can add moong dal in place of the chicken. It tastes equally good. Cooking time for leaves depends on how tender the leaves are.